Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best salad dressing container that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Salad Dressing Container. Passionate cocktail makers looking for a similar salad dressing making experience will love the OXO Good Grips Salad Dressing Shaker. This container is perfect for making, mixing, serving, and storing salad dressing, along with marinades and sauces. The wide opening of the bottle accommodates a variety of ingredients, from liquids to spices to purees. With a capacity of 1.5 cups, it's perfect for preparing your dressing for the whole week or a large family. Simply mix in a recipe, and serve directly from the container. Storage is made easy by a water and airtight, leak-proof seal. You can even carry the shaker in your office bag without worrying the dressing will spill. Moving on at number 4, we have the Whiskware Dressing Shaker with BlenderBall Wire Whisk. The last entry on our list of best salad dressing containers comes from Whiskware. Whiskware Dressing Shaker with BlenderBall Wire Whisk doubles as a convenient container and comes with a BlenderBall Wire Whisk that's powerful enough to keep the vinegar and oil mixed up for an hour. Remaking the emulsion is easy, thanks to its smooth operation. All you have to do is add the ingredients to the blender and shake. Highlights include a one-handed operation and auto-closing spout seals whenever the lever is released, eliminating spills. Like other shakers, it features printed markings in both cups and milliliters, so you can easily measure ingredients and make the perfect marinade or dressing. Coming in either Eastman Triton plastic or soda lime glass, the shaker is stain-resistant and BPA-free. It would also make a cool birthday gift for your friends and family. At number 3, we have the Norpro 809A809 Salad Maker. This super saver bottle is the best salad dressing container if you are on a budget and want a container that can securely hold small to moderate amounts of salad dressings, marinades, and sauces. With this easy-to-use design by Norpro, you can shake to your heart's content when it comes to preparing your choicest salad dressing. Made with sustainable glass that does not break easily, this salad dressing shaker is a dainty product that will add to your culinary joys and make the whole experience of preparing dressings fun. This handy shaker measures 8.25 by 2.75 by 2.75 and can accommodate up to 11 ounces or 330 milliliters of fluid. At number 2, we have the Zeppoli Oil and Vinegar Bottle Set. This premium product by Zeppoli features a duo of salad dressing or oil dispensers with an elegant and classic design that adds to the aesthetic appeal of any dinner table or kitchen console. These attractive glass bottles with a capacity of 17 ounces can contain salad dressings or dressing ingredients such as olive oil and vinegar, and ensure that they remain fresh for an extended period. Each bottle features a removable dual spout. The stopper features top-notch quality rubber that is BPA-free. The double spout is an innovative feature that allows you to control the speed you pour those liquids. And finally at number 1, we have the Veronica Salad Dressing to Go. This pack of 4 travel size boxes from Veronica Squeezy is another excellent choice. You can use these nifty containers to store controlled portions of your favorite salad dressings, but they can serve multiple purposes. You can stack in condiments and sauces, including ketchup and mustard, and even fill them up with essential travel supplies while on the go. The package contains 4 bottles in attractive colors, each with a holding capacity of 37 milliliters. Every bottle features a wide removable cap that makes refilling the bottle a breeze and never a chore. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.